Hello, welcome to another project demonstration video. Today I am going to show you one of my Blazor projects. This is a simple Blazor application integrated with MS SQL Server for CRUD operations. In this project, I have created a basic database to manage employee information such as employee name, designation, and salary. Let's take a closer look at its functionality. This is the home page, or overview page as you can call it. Below the employee overview, you will see the total number of employees. Right now it's showing 0 since no employees have been added yet. Now let's add some employee information. For that, let's navigate to the employee section. Here you can see an employee list and add new employee options and the table that will display the list of employees. Let's add new employees. Just click on the add employee button and it will open a new page with a form. Here you will need to fill details such as employee name, designation, and salary. Note that here name and designation fields are required, so we can't save the form if they are left empty. Now let's fill the information. SE for software engineer, and let's set salary. Let's say 45,000 and let's save it. If you click on the save, see it's redirect to the employee list, and here we can see the employee information, employee name, designation, and the salary, and some action buttons: edit, view, and delete. Now let's go back to our home page, our overview page. Now you will notice the updated overview. It shows the total number of employees, now 1, and below that there's a timeline overview of employees. Now let's go back to our employee list and add one more employees. Let's SQA, software quality assurance engineer, let's say, and salary is, let's say, 55,000, and now let's save it. Now let's go back to our home page or the overview page and see this is how it looks when there's more employees data. Now in the employee list we have some action buttons. Let's explore them. Let's first click on the edit option. It will redirect to a new page with preloaded data for the employee. Here you can modify the information. Let's change the salary to 65,000 and save it. See, the salary is now updated, 65,000. Now let's click on the view option. It will open a details view of the employee information. From here you can also have an option to go back to edit mode. For now, let's go back to the employee list. Now click on the delete button and you will get a confirmation prompt asking if you really want to delete the employee. If you confirm it by clicking delete, this record will be removed. Let's delete this one now. And see, it's gone from the list and the overview page is also updated. Let's see. See, this overview page is also updated. That's all for this project demonstration. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know that it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.